Welcome to Bestsellers Market, your ultimate destination for discovering the top-rated and best-selling products on Amazon. Today we're diving into a niche that's beloved by many crafters and artisans worldwide, tatting and lacemaking. Whether you're a seasoned lacemaker or just starting out, we've curated a countdown of the best-selling tatting and lacemaking products that you won't want to miss. Without further ado, let's get started and unveil the top picks that have captured the hearts of lace enthusiasts everywhere. At number 5, we have the Lacis tatting needle and Picot gauge, a game changer for tatting enthusiasts. Are you tired of guessing which needle or gauge to use for your intricate projects? This versatile tool makes that a problem of the past. Imagine effortlessly choosing the perfect tatting needle or Picot gauge every single time. This compact package contains one Picot gauge, designed with precision to meet all your tatting needs. And the best part? It's made right here in the United States, ensuring top-notch quality and craftsmanship. Say goodbye to the hassle and hello to simplicity with the Lacis tatting needle and Picot gauge. Your tatting projects just got a whole lot easier and more enjoyable. It's not just a tool, it's a must-have for any serious tatting aficionado. And now, coming in at number 4, we present the BUTUZE Tatting Shuttle Kit, an all-in-one wonder for all your lace-making dreams. Imagine having every essential tool at your fingertips, from shuttles to beading needles, crochet hooks to knitting needles. This kit truly has it all. This DIY hand sewing kit features 10 vibrant plastic tatting shuttles, each a mere 0.47 inches wide and 3.15 inches long. Crafted from high-quality materials, these shuttles are not only durable and environmentally friendly, but also a breeze to use. The assortment of colors adds a touch of joy to your craft sessions. Included in this versatile set are Big Eye beading needles, made from top-notch metal, ensuring they last you a long time. Perfect for threading seed beads and accommodating various thread sizes, these needles are a game-changer for intricate beadwork. And let's not forget the handle crochet hooks. Made from anti-rust, durable aluminum, these hooks glide effortlessly through yarn, eliminating hand fatigue and making your crochet experience smoother than ever. Whether you're a novice or a seasoned lacemaker, the BUTUZE Tatting Shuttle Kit is designed to elevate your crafting to new heights. Ideal for a multitude of applications, from manual and handicrafts to intricate crocheted fabrics, this kit is your ultimate companion in the world of tatting and lacemaking. Get ready to unleash your creativity with this indispensable set. Sliding into the number 3 spot, we introduce the Handy Hands Aerlit Tatting Shuttle with 2 bobbins in the enchanting shade of purple lilac. This is not just a shuttle, it's a masterstroke of precision and beauty for your tatting toolkit. Picture this, a sleek, tatting shuttle, measuring approximately 2.75 inches in length and 0.75 inches in width, crafted to perfection. The Aerlit Shuttle, with its durable plastic body and a steel hook of 1.0 mm, is a modern reincarnation of the classic made-in-England Aero shuttle. It's a harmonious blend of tradition and innovation. Included with this shuttle are 2 bobbins, ready to keep your thread organized and your tatting seamless. The purple lilac hue adds a touch of elegance and charm. Though remember, the actual color might vary slightly due to screen display settings. Imagine the possibilities as you glide through your tatting projects with ease, thanks to the ergonomic design and reliable build of the Handy Hands Aerlit Tatting Shuttle. It's more than just a tool, it's a companion for your creative journey. Elevate your tatting experience with this indispensable addition to your collection, and let the artistry flow effortlessly through your hands. The Handy Hands Aerlit Tatting Shuttle is here to make every stitch a masterpiece. Are you enjoying the countdown of the best-selling tatting and lacemaking products on Amazon? Well, don't let your creativity unravel. Like, subscribe, and shuttle over to that bell icon so you never miss a stitch. Claiming the number 2 spot in our countdown of best-selling tatting and lacemaking products on Amazon, we present the 12 pieces Slaplet Wristlets Wrist Corsage Bracelets. A dazzling blend of elegance and versatility, these wristlets are the perfect accessory for any special occasion. Imagine a pack of pure elegance, 12 stunning white corsage wristlet bands, meticulously crafted from soft, skin-friendly faux leather. Each band is designed to fit comfortably around your wrist, measuring about 8.9 x 1 inches. With a simple tap, These slap wrist corsage bracelets wrap around your wrist effortlessly, offering both style and convenience. But that's not all. Each wristlet features an acrylic base, allowing you to customize and show your unique style. Affix your choice of artificial flowers with glue, and let your creativity run wild. Tailor a look that defines you, making every piece truly one of a kind. The front side of these wristlets boasts a glittery, shining white beauty, while the back exhibits a pure white texture. Whether you choose to display the glittering front or the pristine back, you'll add a touch of elegance to your ensemble. Ideal for weddings, anniversaries, engagements, proms, ceremonies, birthdays, cocktail parties, or formal dinners, these wrist corsage bands elevate your style effortlessly. Please note, the product does not include viscose or flowers, giving you the freedom to prepare your own and create a masterpiece. The 12 pieces. Slaplet Wristlets Wrist Corsage. Bracelets are more than just accessories. They're a canvas for your imagination and a statement of your style. Perfect for gifting or enhancing your own outfit, they make every celebration unforgettable. And now, taking the crown at number 1 in our countdown of the best-selling tatting and lace-making products on Amazon, we proudly present the Handy Hands Aerlit Tatting Shuttle with 2 bobbins in the delightful shade of Boysenberry. Imagine holding a piece of tatting history, reimagined for today's craftspeople. This tatting shuttle, measuring approximately 2.75 inches in length and 0.75 inches in width, is crafted from high-quality plastic and features a sturdy steel hook of 1.0 mm. It's a meticulous reproduction of the beloved Made in England Aero Shuttle, ensuring both tradition and reliability are at your fingertips. Included with this elegant shuttle are 2 bobbins, providing you with seamless thread management for your intricate projects. The Boysenberry color not only adds a splash of vibrancy to your toolkit, but also inspires creativity and precision with every stitch. Hailing from China, the Handy Hands Aerlit Tatting Shuttle embodies a fusion of superior craftsmanship and modern materials, making it a must-have for both beginners and seasoned tatters alike. Its ergonomic design ensures that your tatting experience is smooth, comfortable, and utterly enjoyable. With the Handy Hands Aerlit Tatting Shuttle, your tatting projects will not only meet but exceed your expectations, transforming ordinary threads into extraordinary lacework. It's not just a tool, it's an essential companion for every tatting enthusiast, promising unparalleled quality and performance. So, elevate your craft to new heights with the number 1 choice of tatters worldwide. The Handy Hands Aerlit Tatting Shuttle in Boysenberry is your ticket to creating lace masterpieces with ease and elegance. We hope you enjoyed the countdown of the best-selling tatting and lace-making products on Amazon. To keep up with all the top sellers, make sure to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon. Don't forget to check the pinned comment for links to all the amazing products we covered today. Until next time, thank you and see you soon.